Ring Wired Doorbell Elite. How 4K PoE connection delivers forensic-grade clarity. You watched the footage again, squinting at pixelated blur where a face should be. The delivery driver who dropped your package walked away and never came back, completely unidentifiable. Your current doorbell captured the moment but missed every detail that mattered. One neighbor caught their porch pirate crystal clear. Yours? Useless blur. Frustrating, doesn't even cover it. Does this hit close to home? Every time something happens at your door, you're gambling with evidence you'll never have. Packages disappear into grainy shadows. Strangers approach in washed-out twilight footage you can't use. The mental weight of knowing your security system isn't actually securing anything drains your confidence quietly, relentlessly. Last month, a security consultant reviewed client footage and said bluntly, "This won't help anyone." But clarity exists, closer than you think. Then everything changed when Ring released the Wired Doorbell Elite, the newest flagship built around one uncompromising standard: forensic-grade documentation matters. Here's the breakthrough insight. Don't just pick any video doorbell. Make sure it has true PoE with retinal 4K resolution, so you never experience the blurry, unusable footage and buffering frustration that everyone complains about again. This isn't incremental improvement. The retinal 4K video captures faces with photographic precision, reads text on badges from across your porch, and reveals clothing patterns most cameras turn into shapeless blobs. One busy attorney nearly missed identifying a suspicious visitor until she zoomed to 10 times on her Elite footage. Suddenly, facial features, vehicle details, and a readable license plate appeared sharp enough for authorities to act immediately. The native PoE connection delivers instant live view without buffering, ever. Low light sight maintains true color video in dim twilight when other cameras switch to grainy infrared. Remote gate access lets you verify and admit visitors from anywhere, consolidating security into one seamless app experience. And here's what comes next: proof this transformation lasts. 6 months in, users describe a completely new security reality: confidence instead of constant worry. The PoE connection means zero offline moments, zero battery anxiety, zero Wi-Fi dropouts sabotaging critical recordings. Every alert arrives within 2 seconds. Every live view opens instantly. Every night delivers usable footage. One premium smart home reviewer said, "The jump from 1080p to the Elite's 4K is immediately and dramatically apparent. Faces captured with photographic clarity, text readable at distances that produce illegible blur on competitors." A luxury homeowner managing a gated estate shared how remote gate access transformed daily operations. "We handle deliveries, guests, and service providers from anywhere in the world as easily as if we were standing at the gate. 4K verification makes every decision confident." Worried about the PoE installation complexity? Professional integrators complete runs in hours, and for new construction or renovations, it's standard structured wiring. The Elite's flush mount design looks architecturally intentional, not bolted on. One office manager noted the doorbell feels like permanent infrastructure, not a gadget that might fail next month. The 10 times enhanced zoom isn't marketing fluff. It's reading license plates at driveway's end and identifying details you'd otherwise miss entirely. Which feature would transform your security most? Comment 1 for 4K clarity, 2 for PoE reliability, or 3 for gate access integration. Thousands refuse to settle for less now. Imagine reviewing footage and actually seeing everything. Faces sharp, details readable, evidence actionable. That's the daily reality for homeowners and businesses who chose the Elite and describe it as the security upgrade that finally delivered on promises. Here's the honest reality. This flagship model represents Ring's premium tier, and serious security users are adopting it rapidly. If you want doorbell technology that matches professional surveillance standards without compromise, click the link in my description and experience the elite difference today. You deserve security that actually works. Make it happen.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.